Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing I'm a Little Perfect. Queen pulled up on me after 4 years. She missed me. Let's get into it.
Said that we talk to a hitman. We make a pose just like a pig.
Be back in Atlanta, man. So the boy Armand should be picking me up from the airport. Got some stuff planned today. So y'all stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Click that like button. Sit back and like right now. Like this video. Smack it, smack it, smack it. I could be smacking them cheeks at night, cause I know you being some cheeks, man. Make sure y'all show some love, though. Like I said, y'all stay tuned, bro. We going to the 8. It's gonna be a lit vlog. Let's just go ahead and get into it on granny. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Juice up. I be super thirsty in the morning, man. I don't know if it's just me, but I be dehydrated in the morning time. Like I was saying.
I like juice too.
In the store, bro, I be dying of dehydration and thirst in the morning. I don't know what be up with my body. I just wake up and my mouth is like cotton dry, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just like the desert is in my mouth. So I had to juice up. The Powerade, electrolytes. Can't go wrong with OJ because I don't like apple juice, bro. Like, we just don't get along. Me and apple juice just don't get along, bro. Like, I don't like the look. I don't like the taste. Like, I don't see how people like apple juice, bro. Like, I just don't understand how do y'all drink that. It look like pee-pee. Like, it look like you're drinking piss, my boy. Like, I can't get jiggy with it, my boy. Like, not at all, not at all. This, you know what I'm saying, is pure greatness. So I don't see how you can not like orange juice. I run into a lot of people who don't like orange juice. What's your problem? You need to figure it out, bud. This is how I drink orange juice, knowing it's the best juice in the morning.
Good morning. Thank you very much, Kat.
Just made it to Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? I'm waiting on my bag, bro. I slept the whole flight and my ears didn't pop because I wore beat headphones. So shout out to you. I'm waiting on my bag. My boy Armand said that he is, you know what I'm saying? He's pretty close. He said he's pretty close. He said he just stuck in some traffic, but it's all good because I'm still waiting on my bag. We gonna grab this bag. I'm gonna meet my boy Armand in the front. If I got time, I'm probably gonna stop by. Shit, I lied. Ain't no restaurants open. I was gonna grab me something quick to eat, but it's too early still. It's like 10 in Atlanta, you know what I'm saying? Like 9 in Houston. So I'm gonna grab this bag and we gonna go ahead and go with the flow, man. So look, y'all, I was able to find some quick food, you know what I'm saying? I just got me 2 quick little wings, you know what I'm saying? From Popeyes, nothing too major. Gotta put some on my stomach, bro. It's early. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? Armand take me to eat somewhere good. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? We go eat somewhere good. But these little 2 Popeyes wings, oh my granny, look. Look at me. They finna get tore up.
Hey Armand.
My brother, huh?
Y'all know the vibe, man.
Yeah.
I gotta get my dog from the portation.
I told him my dog couldn't fit me up on me.
We first got down and we was talking to y'all, boom, boom. Bro, we had no money.
I know you told me that.
Like, bro,
When I met this nigga,
you, bro, when I was
you ain't had no money, but you ain't tell me that.
Bro,
Cause your pride,
but
nigga, like you ain't tell me that.
And why? Because Jazz was so much like, I fuck with y'all, like, damn, like, nigga, you, like, we brothers and sisters, like, basically, like, we bros. So I'm like,
nigga, you gotta let nigga know your situation, though.
Yeah, facts. But listen to me. We like, oh yeah, let's get a crib. We gonna get a crib. Cause I remember us three was talking like, damn, we can't stay with Queen and Chris. Like,
hell no, we like they in a whole, we like now, you know, we like that whole family got a baby. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, we gotta go do our own thing. And Jazz was like, shit, bet I'm finna find a crib. She ended up finding the crib. We liked it. They looked at it. They like, we need 5,000 move in. Jazz instantly. I got my 2,500. I'm like.
But I was such a real nigga. I think my nigga Armani, I only think he had this shit. He's like, I'm gonna pay you like in like a week or so.
Dog.
So I was like, you know what? I said, hell yeah, I got y'all. I gave y'all half, and then nigga, you paid me like
bro,
in a week.
That's what happened. Yes, bro.
Yeah, on me. Then I paid them niggas half
bro,
up front.
She gave the half, and then I ended up selling my Snapchat.
Yep.
That's crazy. I sold my Snapchat and gave her the 2,500 back.
Real.
That's a good friend.
Nigga shit.
That's crazy,
That's
bro.
real nigga shit.
That's crazy as hell that I'm thinking about that shit now. Cause bro, I just feel like, bro, I owe this to them, bro.
You definitely
like,
do.
Without them, bro, it would be no music. It would be, even though I was like, it just wouldn't be nothing. They're my people. Man, we back.
I feel like it got y'all further, you know what I'm saying,
bro? It got us further, and then I feel like not only that, but not really neglecting, but I was trying to focus on music, but it looked like that's what it is. when I ain't what it is, you know. But I feel like bro, I'm in that headspace, bro.
That's all it is. You back there, bro.
I'm back there. You remember, I used to just come in and be like, man, I want to get another Xbox.
Look, you can't even just get an Xbox.
I like how the love is being shared and appreciation. You know, it's always good to get the history lesson just for those people who weren't here the whole time. But, you know, I love that they had that relationship and that he really appreciate everything. That's really nice.
That's no more, bro. You can't do that.
Like, what's going on? Like, they sell, y'all got controllers in it?
Nah.
Y'all selling controllers with the console at?
If you're looking for PS5 controllers, we don't have any right now.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
It's
PS5
crazy.
controller are really already good right now. It's kind of weird. Sorry about that, guys.
Oh.
How you don't have controllers?
I said I was hungry, but me and our mom, I ain't gonna lie, we fucked that little Popeyes up I had.
No, I just fucked up that chicken and wing.
Not gonna lie, you said she
Why
gonna...
you laughing? Because we offered you a piece and you didn't want one.
He know that shit look good.
Like, he knew it looked good, but that's the thing. He's not black for real.
Oh, my
Yes,
don't like
bro.
fried chicken, bro?
He don't like fried chicken. He don't like fried chicken. You like watermelon?
Yeah. Watermelon.
Do you like jerk chicken more than fried chicken?
You can't ask him that. It's not the same. It's not the same. It really is not the same. So yeah, he would take a piece of jerk chicken. And he ain't
That boy is not passing the test. He terrible. He terrible. So look, you said Essie gonna be cooking breakfast?
Yeah, man, Essie finna get some breakfast, so we finna cut down this breakfast aisle right here. Hold on. We gonna see.
Yeah.
Cause she sent me the list, broski.
Oh.
Yeah, she sent me the list.
What we got for breakfast this morning, man?
The list is ground turkey,
Okay.
1 bag of tortillas,
Okay.
1 bag of tortillas,
Ooh.
onions, 3 cernados, 1 avocado, 1 shredded lettuce,
Yeah.
pepper jack slithered,
Ooh.
and 1 ginger ale for me.
Ooh.
For her. Yeah.
That sound good. I'm with it. I'm with it.
Alright, so Madrian, being that you are like more of the like type of guy, you can
Right here.
look.
More of the finding type of guy. That nigga talk about so. I know this nigga Armand bad at finding shit.
Nah, bro. Well, no offense to, you know, because I love my daughter in the Mexican community, but the black people like the flour more, right?
Yeah.
We like the flour.
They be liking the corn. Yeah, the corn tortilla.
I like corn too. What is y'all talking about? Go to sleep.
Yeah, we leaving.
We're leaving, bro, because they have no ground turkey.
This is crazy because we just put like 5 things in the car, y'all.
Like, bro, we really spent time in here.
That's what I'm saying. Like now I'm mad a little bit, but it's cool. We're gonna go to Publix. We finally got the groceries. Shit.
Man, we finally got the groceries.
14 hours later.
But, hey, look, in the comments, y'all tell us which y'all like more, Whole Foods or Publix. Which one is fresher?
Yeah, which one fresher?
Which one is fresher? That's what we want to know because we got, you know,
Publix.
we consuming this food in our body and we don't want to be like, having to be like, I need water, Sandy.
Look, man, we done got to the main,
Let
man.
me go get my change real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit.
Fly, you know.
Fly nigga shit every day.
He feel like he gotta get his stuff on now.
You know, every day, this ain't shit new.
Yeah. Put that shit on.
Hey Trey.
You know, y'all gotta check out the fit real quick.
Fit of the day.
Fit one really nice. Real good.
I ain't gonna lie, that jacket go crazy, man.
Jacket.
I like the rug.
Yeah. Nigga, that bit.
I just threw it on for a little promo.
That bit raw. You always gotta, you know what I'm saying, come through and outdo the Bro, tell the nigga stay at the mall.
I miss Trey. Trey got so much style.
Hey, man, I'm tatted, man.
Tell the nigga stay at the mall, y'all.
I'm tatted. Hey, no, the mall is like my favorite.
No, I know. It was that nigga favorite place in Houston. He must be stopped. He must be stopped, bro. What happened now? What else you need?
This nasty ass juice.
You really want grapefruit?
Now listen, Essie, if anything is here is wrong, it's on this man right here.
No.
Because
Nah, honestly, it might be on him.
No. Who picked this? Jack.
Well, this juice ain't nasty, girl.
Nigga, you told me to get a green onion, bro.
That's not even
We the wrong people to send to the store. I promise you. Like,
y'all could have got groceries delivered for that because he got his whole thing wrong. And did you get her orange juice?
y'all are. Last time I told him bring some salads, he brought me tortillas.
Wait, that's not it?
No, he brought me tortillas last time. I'm like, oh, go get tostadas. They in the tortilla section. I come back, I'm like, where are they? I ended up having to fry them.
Oh, but it worked out though.
you're back.
We gon' have to go.
Alright. Backwood.
Backwood. Hey, we in the hood. Hey, now we back good.
I miss her so much. I miss her.
I do it taste just like a straw. I'm gon' spit that shit out my mouth.
People be trying to act like I don't come around.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Queen.
Look, my sis miss me.
I miss.
Oh, they back together. Oh, they bring back memories, boy.
Her so much. I miss her dearly. I remember.
I ain't seen you
we did prank
since.
calls and stuff.
When the last time I seen you? Like
Since I was in the tech house, really.
2018.
Yeah, since
I
I
want
was
to say the beginning of 2018. Well, that's the last time I seen
Remember,
you.
like when I was.
Not real friends.
Remember when I was. Don't do that.
Right.
Remember when I was first.
They could be friends. They love each other even if they don't see each other all the time. I got friends like that.
Clarence, y'all peeping through the door. Y'all was recording.
You was in jazz.
That's the last time y'all seen me. That's when I was.
Everybody used to say jazz rap.
Now everybody got kids.
Huh? Oh, I just put it on myself. My bad. I forgot to help you out, brother.
Oh man, and then you got my hiking bag, so I'm hiking bag.
Chill, bro. Chill, bro. I really did, bro.
They got the baby peeing in the middle. Everybody back together.
I don't know what just. Oh, here you go, brother. Here you go, brother. Now we back cool. What is this? That's Aqua 4, bro. It's still.
Oh, it's not Carmax.
Bro, I don't got Bro, that's still gonna get you right.
Carmax.
Nigga, I got something to moisturize your dry ass lips.
No, bro.
That's exactly what I got.
No, that ain't what you said. What you say?
I had Aqua.
Come on, bro. Then she give me your reference.
Aqua 4. Aqua 4. Aqua 4.
But no, it was hard though.
What? Aqua 4. Aqua 4.
He sounded hard on there too.
I'm fucking with you. Aqua 4. But I was just saying it like, I was just messing with you, nigga.
I think that's a air bubble machine.
Who's she on the phone with? She got a whole person on the phone. Legacy. Look. She on the phone. Legacy's on
Legacy got a man, y'all.
Legs, baby, who you talking to? Oh, that's your Titi. Huh?
I ain't gonna have to wait for y'all to call my TC. I'm gonna talk to her. I'm gonna tell her what's going on.
Say, Legacy.
She don't look like that.
Legacy. Say, hi. Say,
Oh,
hi.
she gonna climb up in there. She be trying.
Yeah. She understand that her legs is long enough now. Say hi. Say hi, Dada.
Hi, legend.
Okay.
Like when I hit from the back, lower, get in my way, we running you
Hey,
over.
y'all. It was good seeing Queen and Legend and Trey and Armand. Everybody back together. And Essie. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Doodle Squad.